how did you find the IKEA? How did you find it?
On the internet.
Okay.
I just, well, after I started using an elliptical trainer, I actually quite liked it. And the elliptical trainer I had, it still actually exhausted me a little bit. And so I thought to myself, it'd be really nice to get an elliptical trainer that had zero resistance. And so I just started searching on the internet, elliptical trainer zero resistance. And I came across a couple of others that seemed to imply that you can zero, and then eventually I came across the iCare machine, and it had the added advantage of having an unweighting system. So the main issue I had was when I talked to my carers about all this wonderful stuff I thought I could use, their main concern was, is it safe? We're not going to be there all the time. Are you able to safely use it? And so traditional elliptical trainers, they were always a bit suspicious I'd get carried away and eventually get thrown off the machine. And so when I first saw the iCare machine with a safety harness, I thought, wow, this is going to solve everything. And so it was actually the right size and safe to use, and also the unweighting system. I figured that that would allow me to actually easily, safely get on and off it, because I didn't have to worry about lifting my body weight up there and balancing on the foot pads. And so I started to email the iCare people. I got them to Thad, and so Thad was able to answer all my questions. And eventually I thought, oh wow, this is really interesting. And the most amazing thing is, when I was talking to Thad and mentioned I came from Australia, he said, oh wow, we've just had this wonderful woman from Australia just interested in the same machine. It's a shame I didn't have your details earlier. And so I said to Thad, I really would like to talk to this person, please. And so he put me on to Barbara, and here we are.